Hello guys, Carter Rock here with you, and today again I will be talking about the Ford Fiesta and about a tricky question that many Fiesta owners ask: how to use headlights in this car. Well, it may seem very easy because you have this switch, and basically this switch should do everything, like turning off, turning on the lights and other things, but not so easy. That situation is not so easy in this car. So to use the headlights, you need to use the switch. You turn the switch once and you have the daylights on. So this is not a headlight, this is a daylight. You will not get any light at night from this, bulbs, but this is a good for positioning your car on the road. This is very good idea to use this light basically every time you drive your car. And the next click is the headlights. So you just turn on the headlight and now you will see something at night. That's a good news. But there is a bad news. Like if you want to turn the full beam, like when you're going on a highway and you want to see more than just with a standard headlight, you don't have any other switches here, like 3 positions only. So this is the daylight, this is the headlight, and that's all. Like, how do you turn on this full beam? For this you will need to use this lever. Of course your switch should be in this position. To use the full beam, it has to be in the position of headlights on. You have 2 positions in this lever. The first position is to just blink. You shortly pull this lever on yourself and you blink with the full beam. But how can you keep this full beam on all the time? Now this lever has 2 positions. First position is to just blink, and the second position is to pull it even more. And you will turn on the light. And then to turn it off, you need to pull it again. So not just one time, but to pull it till the end. And then you will have your full beam on or off, depending on what position it is now in. So this is the idea how Ford thinks it's convenient to turn on and off the full beam. I don't know. In many cars you will use this lever for this, but I don't think this is actually a very convenient method, because many people keep asking me about this, and I understand that Ford did really bad job in this switches and levers and how they work. But anyway, if you understand how to do this, maybe it will be even convenient for you on the highway to use just this one move, switching on and off the full beam. So that's all for today. Thanks for your attention. I hope I answered your question, and I hope to see you in the next videos.